Hi guys, hello everyone. My name is Rakesh Shirke and you are watching my channel. If you are new, then please like, share and subscribe. In this lecture, we are discussing about electrochemistry unit, okay, from physical chemistry. In that, today we are going to see two topics, that is first one is electrolytic conductance and ionic interaction, and then second one is relaxation effect and asymmetric effect. Okay, so let us see one by one. In the first topic, that is electrolytic conductance and ionic interaction, electrolytic conductance, electrolytic conductance. In the electrolytic conductance, as we know, the flow of electricity, the point number one is the flow of electricity through solution of electrolytes is due to migration of ion when potential difference is applied between two electrodes. That means in the electrolytic conductance, first of all, the flow of electricity through the solution of electrolytes, right, is due to migration of ion when potential difference is applied between two electrodes. म्हणजे काय, जर आपण इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचा जर फ्लो केला सोल्युशनमध्ये की ज्याच्यामध्ये इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स आहे, तर त्याच्यामुळे काय होईल, ड्यू टू मायग्रेशन ऑफ आयन त्याच्यामध्ये स्टार्ट होईल when potential difference is applied between two electrodes. As we know, there are two electrodes, cathode and anode, and migration of cation toward the cathode and migration of anion toward the anode take place. Okay, then what is the second point? The positively charged cation move toward the negatively charged cathode. The positively charged cation, as we know, move toward negatively charged cathode, that is electrode. Then negatively charged cation, negatively charged anion migrate toward the positively charged electrode, that is anode. ओके, म्हणजे काय, पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज कॅटायन हे कॅथोडकडे मायग्रेट होतील आणि निगेटिव्हली चार्ज एनायन हे एनोडकडे मायग्रेट होतील. कशामध्ये, की जो आपण इलेक्ट्रोलाइटचा सोल्युशन घेतला आहे त्याच्यामध्ये जर फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जर पास केली आपण, तर याच्यामध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह चार्जचं मायग्रेशन पर्टिक्युलर इलेक्ट्रोडकडे होणार आहे. त्याच्यानंतर थर्ड पॉइंट, द ease which the electricity flow through the solution is called as conductance. म्हणजे काय, इझिली किंवा द ease which the electricity flow flow through a solution is called conductance. It's called conductance, and it is indicated by capital G of the solution. Conductance of the solution is indicated by the capital G. Okay, then so this is about the basic part is required to know what is meant by electrolytic conductance. Then we have to see the actual definition of electrolytic conductance in the fourth point, that is it is defined as reciprocal of resistance R of the solution. That means how to write in the formula, R is equal to G is equal to electrolytic conductance G is equal to 1 by R. म्हणजे काय, reciprocal of resistance is called as electrolytic conductance. Okay, so this is the definition of electrolytic conductance. Okay, then the unit of electrolytic conductance is fifth number. It is expressed in unit, that is ohm inverse, or in the symbol form you can write ohm inverse. Okay, unit of electrolytic conductance. And SI unit of conductance is Siemens, and SI unit of electrolytic conductance is Siemens. Okay, Siemens, that is indicate in the square bracket, that is S. So this is electrolytic conductance part. Okay, in that we have to see 5 points. Okay, then the next part is in the first point, ionic interaction. Okay, so let us see on the another page what is mean by ionic interaction. What is mean by ionic interaction? Ionic interaction. By using the both scientists, that is Debye and Huckel, shows that strong attractive force between ion of opposite sign and distribution of ion throughout the solution is not completely random. म्हणजे डीबी आणि हुकेल आपल्याला सांगतात की स्ट्रॉंग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट जो काही सोल्युशन आपण जर घेतलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये जे काही अपोजिट साइनचं जे काही डिस्ट्रीब्युशन त्या सोल्युशनमध्ये बनलेलं असतं ते कम्प्लिटली रँडम नसतं. ठीक आहे, इट इज नॉट कम्प्लिटली रँडम. ओके, इट इज क्लोजली रिलेटेड विथ इच अदर. ओके, और इंटरॅक्शन in between positively and negatively charged species. So in the next point we have to see one by one what is mean by ionic interaction. Okay, and ionic interaction shows both scientists, that is both a scientist, that is name is Debye and Huckel. Okay, then what is the first point in the ionic interaction? In other words, you can say every ion in solution is surrounded by atmosphere of oppositely charged ion. Okay, every ion, Debye and Huckel says every ion in solution surrounded by atmosphere of oppositely charged ion, charge ion. Okay, each ion thus has an ionic atmosphere of opposite sign. Okay, each ion has an ionic atmosphere of opposite sign, opposite sign. That means म्हणजे काय, जे काही सोल्युशनमध्ये इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सोल्युशनमध्ये जे का आयन्स आहेत पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह आयन्स ते एक ॲटमॉस्फिअर एक क्रिएट करणार आहेत दॅट इज कम्प्लिटली अपोजिट चार्ज यांचं सराउंडिंग एक ॲटमॉस्फिअर क्रिएट करणार त्याच्यामध्ये. आणि प्रत्येक आयन ईच आयन हॅज आयनिक ॲटमॉस्फिअर ऑफ अपोजिट साइन. हाऊ कॅन represent this ionic interaction in the electrolytic solution? Suppose positive charge is at the center and negatively charged ion or anion is surrounded by the positively charged species. That means in the ionic atmosphere the opposite sign of the charge and this interaction in between positive and negative charge in the atmosphere. Okay, every ion positively charged species is surrounded by negative ion and negatively charged species surrounded by positively charged ion. Okay, remember this, that is the first point in ionic interaction. Okay, this information is already said both scientists, that is Debye and Huckel. Then the second point is the net charge of atom. The net charge of atmosphere is equal to or is equal in magnitude, नेट चार्ज जर आपण ड्रॉ केला तर त्याच्या मॅग्निट्यूड ही त्याची इक्वल असते त्याच्यामध्ये. ओके, बट अपोजिट इन साइन म्हणजे त्याची साईज जर बघितली पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह चार्ज मॅग्निट्यूड मीन्स व्हॉट साईज ऑफ दॅट कॅटायन anion. As we know generally positively charged species is smaller size in comparison with negatively charged species. So net charge of the atom is equal in magnitude. Okay, and opposite in sign to that of central ion, or you can say the magnitude of positive and negative ion is also equal. Okay, then in the next point, however when electrical potential is applied, across the two electrodes immerse in the solutions, ion are set in motion symmetry of ionic atmosphere is disturbed. Okay, symmetry of ion is disturbed. ओके, दॅट मीन्स जर आपण इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेन्शियल ह्या आयनिक इंटरॅक्शन असलेल्या इलेक्ट्रोलाइटमध्ये पास केला तर आणि त्याच्यामध्ये जर दोन इलेक्ट्रोड असतील कॅथोड अँड ॲनोड तर काय होईल, आयन जे सेट झालेली मोशन आहे पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज स्पेसिस सराउंडेड बाय निगेटिव्हली चार्ज स्पेसिस ते टोटली काय होईल, डिस्टर्ब होणार आहे ती सिमेट्री आयन इज डिस्टर्ब. ओके, देन what is the fourth point? This is very important. As a result certain effect and changes in ionic atmosphere arises, which are responsible for decrease in speed of ion. Means याचा रिझल्ट काय होतो, जर सिमेट्री ऑफ आयन जर डिस्टर्ब झाला बाय युझिंग इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेन्शियल अप्लाइड इन द टू इलेक्ट्रोड्स तर काय व्हायचा, रिझल्ट काय होईल, सर्टन इफेक्ट इज शोज. दॅट मीन्स यू कॅन से asymmetric effect or relaxation effect will occur after providing the electric current in the electrolyte solution. Then second effect is Debye-Falkenhayn effect. Then fourth effect is Vane effect. So that type of certain effect will occur after providing the electric current, okay, which are responsible to decrease the speed of ion. So the ionic interaction is totally disturbed by using the electric potential is passed or applied across the two electrodes. So this is ionic interaction part. Okay, then on the another page we have to see the asymmetry or relaxation effect. Second topic, that is asymmetry or relaxation effect. This effect arises from if electrical potential is applied across the two electrode immersed in the solution. Okay, so this is the first effect due to interaction of ion is totally disturbed. Okay, so in the relaxation effect we have to remember some points involved in it. The first point is central ion is positive charge and is surrounded by negatively charged ion. What is it? Central ion is positively charged and is surrounded by negatively charged ion. Means before providing the electric potential the ion are stationary, that means ionic interaction or atmosphere is created, as we know, that is positively charged species surrounded by negatively charged species, okay, in the electrolyte solution. Okay, so this is the first point. As we know, central line is surrounded by negatively charged and central line is positive, and the atmosphere is created before providing the electric current. Okay, then the second point is when electric field is applied, ion set in a motion. Then The second point says when electric field, or you can say it is electric potential, is applied, then ions set in motion. That means ready to move. As we know, the electric current when applied in the solution of electrolyte solution, okay, then ion set in a motion. म्हणजे काय, जर आपण इलेक्ट्रिक करंट त्या आयनिक इंटरॅक्शन असलेल्या सोल्युशन मध्ये जर पास केला बाय यूजिंग द टू इलेक्ट्रोड कॅथोड अँड एनोड, then what happen, ion set in a motion or ready to move in a motion. Then what is the third point? Symmetry gets destroyed. Symmetry of ionic atmosphere, symmetry of ionic atmosphere gets destroyed, So how to write this symmetry destroy in electrolyte solution? As we know, the surrounding ion in ionic atmosphere is negative, so this negatively charged species, okay, suppose we have to take two electrodes in solution, that is anode, and this one is cathode, that is negatively charged electrode. So this positively charged electrode from this center is attracted toward this negatively charged electrode, and this negatively charged electrode is attracted toward the positively charged electrode. Okay, so that means symmetry of this ionic atmosphere is totally disturbed when electric potential is applied. ओके, जेव्हा आपण इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास करतो या सोल्युशन मध्ये बाय युजिंग द टू इलेक्ट्रोड्स, तर ह्याच्यातले निगेटिव्ह आयन जे काय आहेत ते पॉझिटिव्ह इलेक्ट्रोडकडे मायग्रेट होतील आणि पॉझिटिव्ह आयन हे निगेटिव्ह इलेक्ट्रोडकडे मायग्रेट होणार आहेत. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट इफेक्ट विल ऑकर आफ्टर providing the electric field. Okay, then the last point from this effect is fourth point, force of attraction by the atmosphere. Force of attraction exerted by the atmosphere is uniform, which disturb फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन जो काही एक्झर्ट झाला होता ॲटमॉस्फिअर मध्ये तो युनिफॉर्म होता अगोदर, म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज स्पेसिस निगेटिव्हली चार्ज फिरत होते. ओके, but which get disturbed when after applying the electric field. Okay, so this is asymmetric or relaxation effect. Okay, so both concept or both topic, that is electrolytic conductance and ionic interaction, and the effect due to occur from it, that is first effect, that is second point, second topic is asymmetry or relaxation effect. Okay, both topic are very important, and in the theory exam will ask for 3 marks. Okay, both questions. Okay, so in the next video I will take Vane effect and Debye-Falkenhayn effect. Okay, so that both effect is also occur from ionic interaction. Okay, thank you.